Let's talk about NeoPod.
When marketing.
Right now, literally right now. And it starts with you. Now, what is NeoPod? Now, it has nothing to do with Metapod as much as it seems like it might, and it definitely has nothing to do with a Neo podcast. There's already a great one out there called Smart Economy Podcast. You should probably check that out. No, but what it actually is the ambassador program for Neo Smart Economy. The official ambassador program where you can take when marketing into your own hands for Neo. Now, in case you're unfamiliar, an ambassador program is one where you complete tasks such as making a tweet, creating a video, making a tutorial, and in return, you earn rewards. The entire point of the Neo team coming out with this ambassador program is to basically promote the community engagement and growth within Neo. Of course, they also want to get as many contributions as possible because what makes chains like Ethereum and Solana so big and so famous and popular is because they have lots of contributions from individual contributors. And who's an individual contributor? I'm an individual contributor. You're an individual contributor just by owning the token. Every single person that is within the Neo ecosystem, even if you're just a holder that's staking your Neo, which if you aren't doing, make sure you check out that video, is an individual contributor. It's just at what level of contribution do you want to give? The NeoPod Ambassador Program, which is held through Zealy, gives you that opportunity for you to choose how much you want to contribute. And of course, nobody likes to work for free. Heck, I don't like to work for free. Let's be honest here. You know what's good? Rewards. We all like rewards. It's why we stake our Neo to earn gas. Pretty straightforward. We like rewards. And that's what the NeoPod program gives you an opportunity to do, is complete tasks to help the Neo community and earn rewards for yourself. It's honestly that simple. Now, I've said the word rewards too many times. I know you just want to hear how much rewards? How do I get the rewards? Are the rewards just a hug and kiss? What are they? Let me tell you. The rewards can be either XP, which is points on Zealy, and that can be exchanged for gas, or sometimes the rewards might just be straight up Neo gas. So you can complete tasks for Neo gas or points to earn for gas. Long story short, no matter how the journey gets there, you can earn some gas. In fact, depending on your rank, you can potentially earn a monthly strip end for producing content for the Neo ecosystem. So yeah, the rewards, they depend on your level. What level? Level 24? 25? No. Let me tell you about the levels. Let's talk about ranks. The first rank you get is Operator. You get that just by connecting or creating an account on Zealy and joining the Neo community. With the Operator rank, you can complete tasks and earn points. The next, Sentinel and Architect. What's the benefit of a Sentinel rank, for example? Well, it gives you more missions, even more technical missions. There's missions such as hosting a workshop, writing some tutorials, or actually contributing to Neo documentation. So, a little bit of a step up. Or you can just help people onboard to Neo, like writing some articles, some Twitter threads, translating some Neo content, basically anything that contributes to the growth of the ecosystem at a larger level. And the bonus of Sentinels is those points can convert directly for gas. And right now, 1,000 Zealy points can be exchanged for 10 gas at the level of Sentinel. Now, to get that monthly strip end that I mentioned, you have to achieve the Architect level. And that's just someone who has shown leadership within the community as well as the contributions that they have made to the community. So this is decided by the team at Neo, and it is probably going to be given out very scarcely, but if you do enough for the Neo community and for the NeoPod program, I am sure that anyone who puts enough effort in can get to that rank. One little thing, you have to at least have been a Sentinel for 3 months to get the Architect role. But the beauty of an Architect, you're going to be a mentor to others. You can even do things like leading regional communities for Neo, even represent them at conferences. You could even be invited to events such as the Neo Community Assembly. So yeah, there's a lot of perks for being an architect. Now, why is Neo launching NeoPod right now? Well, it's plain and simple, Neo X release, which is Neo's EVM sidechain. They're looking for ways to increase activity and increase growth in community surrounding Neo X and the obviously original beast that is the Neo 3 blockchain. So this was a great opportunity for them to invite the community to help grow the community. Why don't we take a little step into the Zealy platform and take a peek at some of the missions available. As you can see, I'm here in the Neo Smart Economy Zealy, and you can see all these different missions that you can complete. And when they say points and XP, they're kind of the same thing. So this is like earning 10 points. So let's just walk through one example. Since I'm already in the Discord, let's just go ahead and join the official Discord, and it gives you some steps. If you haven't already, join our Discord. Done. Problem solved. It will automatically validate once you claim it, and you're in the community. That's the best part. So what you have to do is you do have to connect an Ethereum wallet. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect, and let's just go with MetaMask because that's a super popular wallet for a lot of people. It's going to ask you to make sure you're on the Ethereum mainnet. Then all you got to do is sign a message. And once you do that, your Ethereum address is connected. Next thing you got to do is go ahead and enter yourself a Neo address. So I will go ahead and copy my Neo address, enter it in there, hit save. And lastly, they want your Twitter. They want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect my Twitter. I will go ahead and authorize the app. It will send us back to Zealy. And of course, last step is the task, which is join the Neo Smart Economy Discord, which again, I've already joined. So not a problem for me. It's gonna launch my Discord, and you can see I'm already here. So I'm already in the server, which is great. Now, if I go back to Zealy, if I go ahead and hit claim, it will validate that I joined the Discord server, and bada bing, bada boom, quest completed. I just earned 10 points, which can one day be used towards some rewards. You just go right to the next quest if you wanted to, which is join the Neo Telegram group, which again, I'm already in. Might as well just earn some points. It's that easy. There's obviously going to be some more involved tasks, but it's nice to have these easy ones to get out of the way. Let's take it back. So that basically shows you how to complete a Zealy quest on the NeoPod Ambassador program. Let's just take a quick skim at the kind of categories that we have here. Obviously, onboarding module, straightforward, just doing the basic stuff that you can get out of the way to get onboarded into the Neo ecosystem, which if you're completing community tasks is kind of an important piece. Next, there's stuff like a community mission. You can create localized content that's within your city or region of the world. You can also create a video like I'm doing right now. This would count. This is a video where you can earn points on Neo because it's about Neo and Zealy and blah, blah, blah. The video can be anything, but hey, look at this. This is a great example of a video you can make. If you're not much of a face-to-face person, you can just go ahead and publish an article too. And there's more simpler tasks like just liking or retweeting random stuff, but you kind of get the point. It's community-based missions focusing on community growth. They also have technical missions. Hey, if you have a more technical background, power to you. You can do stuff like, hey, try deploying a smart contract on testnet. Now it's testnet, so you don't have to worry about spending any money. It's just getting you familiar with the Neo ecosystem. And there's business development missions. So, hey, do you have a DApp? Do you want a DApp? Are you looking for a place for your DApp? You can onboard a new DApp to Neo. That'd be great. I mean, that's a huge deal. That's a big task. But if you do it and you bring your DApp to the Neo ecosystem, you can earn some points. Now, one thing to note, you can't actually exchange your points to gas unless you roll a Sentinel, but I'll tell you right now, as long as you start completing some tasks, you will have no issues getting that roll Sentinel. Also, I've been keeping an eye on the Discord. Besides these tasks, they're always giving lots and lots of rewards to the top contributors on the NeoPod Ambassador program all the time. So if you're putting in the effort, if you're making quality stuff, if you're making contributions to the Neo ecosystem, you're not gonna worry about being rewarded. You're gonna get your rewards. So don't worry about that. Of course, They have the Sentinel's mission. I'm not a Sentinel. I just joined the platform. I got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna start contributing to the platform and work my way to getting here. But they have their own kind of higher up missions that can be completed. As you see, like creating something and getting 20 likes and comments. You get points for that based on the actual performance of something you create. You can also do stuff like we mentioned, hosting and managing a regional community, a QA session for developers, people to learn more about how to develop on the platform, or even create a higher quality video. So there's creator video, but you can earn some bonus points if you're a Sentinel and you create some higher quality content. There's a new Discord function for the NeoPod program. It's called Engage. What Engage does is just a bot that runs in the Discord platform, which allows you to basically engage with various parts of the Neo ecosystem. Let's go to one of my favorites, the ndap.org Twitter account. Every single day they post about Neo 3's daily activity. As you can see, it's got 1,100 transactions, 16 new addresses, and you're like, yeah, let's engage. Engagement's good. You can go ahead and engage directly with a tweet. As you see, you have to engage to collect points. It expires at a certain time. This one's in a day. Your account must have at least 25 followers and must be a month old, just to prevent any farming or bots, that's all. So let's say I want to go ahead and like this post. It will swing me over to the website and I can go ahead and like the post. As you can see, look at the activity on this. Lots of people are already interacting with the NeoPod program and the Engage bot. The Engage bot basically just makes it a lot easier for you to engage as much as you can with a lot of the Neo ecosystem and their tweets, and then you earn some points. So I hope that gave you a better idea of what NeoPod is and why Neo is bringing this ambassador program forward. Of course, everyone's all excited about the Neo EVM called NeoX, as well as the developments happening on Neo 3's blockchain. It's a lot of fun, and Neo is looking for people like you out there to start contributing and growing the community, because when marketing starts with you. So go ahead, click the link in the description, head to the Neo Community Zealy, and start pumping through some of those tasks, earn yourself some points, and eventually get yourself some gas for just doing a little bit of job in growing the Neo ecosystem and community, of course. If you want to learn more about this program, I'm going to leave a couple of great articles that go over in written form exactly what's going on here, as well as make sure you join the Neo Community Discord. They're always posting about new missions that show up on the NeoPod. So if you're not always looking on the website, a Discord is a great place to see what's going on there. They also announce if they're giving out any bonus rewards for a lot of the top contributors. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the Neo Smart Economy Zealy and start earning points and growing the Neo community.